Hi, I'm Angel from LIVAROCKS. If you're thinking about adding a raised planter to your yard, you've probably seen many options. They may look similar at first, but what really matters is how they're built and how they last over time. This is our 48 by 20 by 28 inch raised cedar planter from LIVAROCKS. We are a family business with focus on quality and responsibility in every planter we build. Today I'll show you exactly what makes this planter different, from the materials and design to small details. Let's start from the beginning. Inside the box, you'll find some wooden panels, steel legs, hardware, liner, and a corner cap. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. All panels are made from Western Red Cedar. Cedar is naturally resistant to moisture and outdoor conditions. With proper care, it can last for many years. We offer two versions, Core and Prime. Core is strong and solid, may have more natural knots and small surface marks from woodworking. The difference is mostly cosmetic and visual. Prime has more selected boards with minor knots and a cleaner, more premium look. Both versions are strong and reliable. You just simply choose the look you prefer. All wooden panels are pre-assembled with screws for durability. We provide stainless steel hardware, bolts, nuts, and washers. They are coated in black to match the design. Stainless steel prevents rust and keeps the structure secure over time. All tools needed for assembly are included. The legs are made from galvanized steel. They're covered with a black powder coating for additional protection. You can see the round mounting holes for secure installation. At the bottom of each leg, there is a steel base plate. The base plate prevents sinking into soil and grass and keeps the planter stable and level. This detail makes a real difference outdoors. This is our custom Geotextile liner. It is designed exactly to the size of the planter. Liner protects the wood from soil contact and allows proper drainage. Because it fits perfectly, installation is simple and clean. These are our branded corner caps. They also help keep the liner in place during the fitting. We believe good construction starts with good materials and a careful attention to details, from the wood to the hardware, to how each part fits together. Assembly is very simple. First, place one long wooden panel on a flat surface. Then position the steel leg against the side of the panel. Insert the bolts through the round mounting holes. From the inside, place the washer and then the nut. Tighten everything using the included tools. Repeat the same step on the other side. Once both legs are secured, attach the short panel. Once the structure is done, we need to bring the bottom on its place. Next step, we have to insert the liner inside. Finally, press the corner caps into place. I filled the planter with the soil, and now we may plant the flowers. All our planters ship across Canada with free delivery. You only pay for your planter. There are no hidden fees. It arrives directly to your door. This is the LIVAROCKS raised cedar planter. Strong, stable, built to last.